right, this is how easy it is to add your water to it. Move to the side. There's a level of water, right? Just make sure you have enough. All right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful little mister with an LED light. Now, it has 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, and that's it. All right, so there's only 3 settings that you can set up in case you leave it on by accident. But you could have the light on for itself, or you could actually have the mister. Mister has 3 tones. All right, right now we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna turn it back on. There's 3 modes: 1, 2, and 3. This is like the highest of the misters, if you guys can see that. So the mister's gonna actually just shoot up in the air. And let me see if you can see it, but it takes about a minute before it starts hanging in there and starts working. Now the lighting, you could change it where it says light in here on this side too. So you could change different tones. You can see the blue. I like the blue because it's a little bright, but you also can do the same thing on the remote. All right, so just remember that if the remote's included with it, and there you go. Look, it just took it like a minute before. Gives a beautiful ambiance to any room. So if you have a room and it gets a little, too dry in there, this is perfect. And it makes a great night light. All right, another great option is that you can add a little fragrance in here, and it's gonna make the house smell beautiful, or the room. Now look at this thing. This thing is jamming right now. You can see it working very well. So from a dry room, so if you wake up with the dry mouth and the dry nose, give you some moisture in the air, it's perfect night light for kids, adults. Beautiful style that it has. Bottom of it looks like wood. Top of it looks like broken, pretty much like glass.